Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making safety primary. Confirm the rifle is unloaded and pointed in a safe direction. Once done, choose the 2 anchor points you'll use. Rear swivel and front mount are common, and route the webbing through those attachment points. You'll thread the sling through the buckle or loop, secure the tail, and set an initial length that holds the rifle at chest height. This short step gets you into a usable carry position. Make sure the hardware is seated and there's no twisted webbing. Now you refine fit and practice motion. You want a length that supports a secure crossbody carry, yet allows quick transition to the shoulder. Shorten slightly for standing and lengthen for seated or prone. Once adjusted, practice moving the rifle from the sling to a firing position, slow at first, so you learn how the sling supports the weight and stabilizes the rifle. Lock the adjustments by tucking excess webbing or using a keeper. This prevents slippage during movement and keeps the sling consistent. Finish by validating comfort and retention. Wear the rifle for 10 to 15 minutes while moving, shouldering, and sitting to confirm the sling holds position. If you notice the rifle rotating or anchors creeping, reroute the webbing through the mount or tighten the adjustment and retest. If the sling rubs or pinches, add a padded sleeve or shift contact points to bone-supported areas. One key troubleshooting tip: if the adjustment constantly slips, replace worn hardware or swap to a buckle style with positive locking teeth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.